Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be doing a Pagefly product page tutorial. So obviously you need to download Pagefly by going to search, downloading it. If you want to create a product page, you can go ahead and choose from templates or create a blank page. So I'll go ahead and choose from templates and you can click products here. And then here you can select all of the product pages that you might want to add. So let's go ahead and look for one that suits me. This one I want to do, preview it to make sure that you have viewed the entirety of the page. And then, yeah, it's very easy. The best thing about Pagefly is its ease of working with it. So for example, if I want to add a product, press select product, and then you can go ahead and select the products, press select, and it will appear here just like this. And it will already integrate your buttons, add to cart feature here. So this has a video, so you can go ahead and upload a video here if you want. Go to media files, you can press clear, that you want to delete this and add a photo. You go down to image and then you can press here, drag that there, and then you can input your own image just like this. And then if you want to create a heading, you click in where you want to select, and then here you will see the option where you can write home. And then you can click on this, you can further modify how this looks. Modify the text color too if you would like. Styling, you go to font family, edit the specific font, the font size. You can align the text however you want. Text style, you can edit all of these. Change the background color if you would like. And if you want to go to general, you can generate text. So selling cheap lamps for any home. And you can select a specific tone that you want the AI to pursue, so persuasive. You can generate this, and this will give you some presets in which you can, some tones that you can choose from regarding the text that you want regarding your specific image. So as you can see here, we have some different presets. So click on one of these. I tried doing this AI feature, but it's not very good. So just type in your own thing. Just type in your own thing. So yeah, you can put in whatever you want here, and you can customize all the features. You can hide from different devices. You can add some animations, so and go ahead and do that. And you can choose the animation when you hover over it, which is very cool. So if you want to reselect the video, go into reselect, and then you can add from URL. Press this, add video. You can press upload video and insert your own video on your files. For some reason, this one didn't work. If it didn't work, press YouTube video, go to here, delete the pre-existing one. And here we can go to the URL, do it here, upload it here, and then you can choose some things, for example, enable loop, enable autoplay. You can mute video, so your audio is not going to be blasting constantly whilst the customer is viewing your homepage. And then here we can add customer reviews. So you can go to settings here and edit all of these different aspects. You can align it. So yeah, change the names here. You can edit any information here. Change the style of anything. Then you have the guarantee. You can customize this to something else if you want. You have related products here. So go to source type, go to here and select a source type in which you want things to be added here. Bearing in mind you have product lists already existing. For example, I have these products here that you can input. If you want to add any additional things, so for example, if you want to add a countdown, you put a press countdown here, add this here, or you want to do a divider, you can go ahead and do that. Click on here for the divider, and then you can go ahead and specifically, so you might need to put in a code to make this work properly. And yeah, anything you need, you can go into here and you can input things. So say that you want a Google map, go ahead and do this. Then here you can select exactly where you want the map to be. So for Cornwall, you can go ahead and select that. And then you can select all the power parameters, make set, and find the place where you exactly want it to be. Put an exact address if you want. So I don't know, let's put in a random address like, for example, this, and this will hopefully bring us to somewhere specific. As you can see, it will put a pin on where it is. Then you can zoom in, adjust the height, etc. And yeah, so you can just further customize everything. You can divide everything up into these flex sections where you can easily access everything and edit the settings of anything. You can rename them. And you can keep adding like this. Just go to elements. And you can, input these. You can add a table if you would like. So yeah, the options are endless. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.